So I have got this question a lot of time from you guys, that what framework should I choose after learning basics of Python? So this kind of question is a little bit paradoxical, but it's not that it can't be solved. It's upon you what suits you. So in this video we will find out what suits you while choosing Python frameworks and what to do next after beginner levels. So without getting said, let's jump right into it. Guys, there are lots of frameworks and tons of libraries in Python, as it is a versatile language and top class language also. So varieties of options are there, like AI, machine learning, web development, Android app development, and many other things that can be done. And you could think Python can do everything, like data science and algorithms and everything. Okay, so now it comes that many beginners fail to choose the right path, right framework that they want to go and succeed in future. Like if you have to take my example, I started with machine learning and Django for web development and machine learning. So for that I learned pandas and numpy, scipy and many things, right? So then I learned Django. Now I integrated those two and made some quite good applications out of it. So your field might not be in that field, but there are lots of things that can be done through different levels also. Now after mastering in those two frameworks, now I know little bit of every other frameworks. So now what best suits you? Now there are paradoxical things in this topic. So solving this thing, firstly think about it, what you are going to be in future, what you are gonna be doing in future. Okay, so after thinking that, you might get like I'm going to do in web development. Okay, and then you can choose Django and Flask. So choose one of them. So Django is more versatile and has more libraries in it, so you might go to Django, but Flask is a little bit lighter than Django, so you might go to Flask. It's not a big deal. So the thing is, you have to master in everything you learn. So if you think that you need to go through Android app development, then go through Kiwi. If you want me to give you one-on-one tutoring, then contact me. There are links and description, so you can directly consult with me. Or if you want to get my upcoming course, that is Crython crash course on Python, so it's being soon released, so don't forget to subscribe in the mailing list. So link is in the description box below, so that you will get notified in your mailbox. How you can learn these frameworks is either if you have problems with software development, app development, web development and machine learning, you can contact me directly for one-on-one private tutoring class. If not, then you can find the documentation of them online by their official site. You can go through it and scan through it, so that you can find some useful information, but it's a little bit harder process. So to simplify, you can get in touch with me also. But one thing is that this is a bonus tip for you, that if you want to choose any of the framework, choose any of the framework, but you will need OOP, that is object oriented programming. There is a playlist on my channel also, you can go and check it out. So you must know OOP in order to master all those things. So object oriented programming is fundamental of those things. So choose your one and do the best. This was for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more exciting videos like this one. So one disclaimer, that I will be also uploading videos on entrepreneurship and leadership in coming days. So stay tuned and see you soon.